single-serving microwave brownie. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons, 10 grams, unsweetened cocoa powder, measured correctly. 1 1/2 tablespoon, 11 grams, whole wheat flour, measured correctly. 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, water. 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, plain non-fat Greek yogurt. 2 teaspoons agave. 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: lightly coat a 1 cup ramekin with non-stick cooking spray. Set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together the cocoa and flour. In a separate bowl, stir together the water, yogurt, agave, and vanilla. Add the dry ingredients into the wet, stirring just until incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared ramekin, gently shaking back and forth until the top is smooth. Microwave at 40% power for 2 minutes and 15 seconds, 2:15. Let the brownie sit for at least 3 minutes before eating.